In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Pinterest pins via email. If you found a pin on Pinterest that you want to send to someone directly, the process is very simple. Whether you're sharing an idea, inspiration, a product, or a saved image, sending a pin by email is a quick way to make sure the other person can open it easily. To get started, open the Pinterest app on your phone, or go to the Pinterest website in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log into your account first so you can access your feed, boards, and saved pins without interruption. Once you're in Pinterest, find the pin you want to share. When you see it, click or tap on the pin so it opens fully. This is important because opening the pin gives you access to the full pin view and the sharing options connected to that specific post. Next, look for the share icon. This is usually shown as an arrow or a standard share symbol somewhere near the pin. Tap or click that icon to open the sharing menu. Pinterest may show you several ways to share the content, depending on whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop site. From that menu, choose the option that says Copy Link. This copies the direct URL of the pin to your device, so you can paste it anywhere you want. If you don't immediately see a confirmation message, that's okay. In most cases, the link has still been copied successfully. After that, open your email provider. You can use whichever email service you normally prefer, such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or another mail app. Create a new email message. Then move into the body of the message and paste the Pinterest link you just copied. At this point, you can leave the email as just the link, or you can add a short note to give the recipient some context, like why you're sending it or what they should look at in the pin. This can be helpful if you're sharing multiple ideas or sending something for work, planning, or collaboration. Finally, enter your recipient's email address, review the message to make sure the link is included correctly, and send the email. That's all it takes to share a Pinterest pin via email. It's a straightforward method that works well when you want to send inspiration directly and make it easy for someone else to view the exact pin you found.